Santosh Desai has confirmed that an FIR has been registered in connection with the case of Gautam Khattar and the investigation has already begun. He stated that a dedicated police team has been dispatched and tracking operations are actively underway. The team has already reached outside Goa as part of investigation process. The SP also mentioned that multiple complaints have been received from across the state, with many alleging that sentiments were hurt. All such complaints are being duly accepted and taken into consideration by the police, especially within the South District. Authorities have assured that the inquiry is in progress and all aspects of the case are being thoroughly examined. However, he clarified that the main focus remains on the core incident under investigation. Police have urged the public to remain patient as duly legal procedure is being strictly followed.
पयर FIR रजिस्टर केलो. FIR रजिस्टर करून आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट केलें. आनीक इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट करून जातकीर आमी एक टीम आमी ऑलरेडी डिस्पॅच केला डेराडून वचपाक आनी ती ऑलरेडी काल गेली आनीक तेंचे ट्रॅक धरून मुखाल्लें इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. आनी तशें बाकी जे कंप्लेनी लोकांनी खूब दिला जे कोणाक दिसलें की तांचो सेंटिमेंट हर्ट जाला त्यो कंप्लेनी जाके गोंयभर दीत आसा. आमी तेंची कंप्लेनी आमी एटलिस्ट सावथ डिस्ट्रिक्टाक जावन जाल्यार तेमी दिला तितल्यो आमी एक्सेप्ट केला आनी मुखाल्ली इन्क्वायरी चालू आसा.
सर मिनिस्टरांचेर बीन दिल्या तेजेर कितें जालें?
थोड्यांक दिला तश्यो बट पळय आमची मेन एक इन्सिडेंटाची ही आमची इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.